Need a little more energy to start your workday, right? Try on this 10-minute yoga sequence for size to balance your body and focus your mind, and no special workout gear or studio space necessary. These beginner-friendly yoga poses can be done on a mat or in the comfort of your living room. Let this yoga routine wake you up with flexibility, balance and strength so you can face the day with a Zen mindset. Child's pose. Kneel. Then take your knees wide and big toes to touch. Walk your hands forward until your forehand rests gently on the ground. Practice deep, steady inhales and exhales for about 3-5 breaths as you let go of distraction and focus on your yoga practice. Tabletop. Rise from child's pose to tabletop, with your shoulders stacked over wrists and your hips stacked over knees. Place equal weight through your hands and knees. Relax your feet. Engage your abdominal muscles and lengthen your spine. Gaze is down in between your hands. Cat pose. Press into your hands to round your upper back, as if a string were pulling the middle of your back to the ceiling. Drop your head and tuck your chin to chest, hugging your belly toward spine. Cow pose. Lower your belly and lift your chest. Stay grounded through your hands as you broaden your shoulders. Lift your gaze to look forward or up, and hollow out your lower back. Drop your shoulders away from ears. Alternate between cat and cow 2 or 3 more times. Downward facing dog. Walk your hands forward an inch or 2, curl your toes underneath and lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Your legs can keep a slight bend, but reach your heels toward the floor. Ground down through all your fingers, especially the space between your thumb and first finger, and press through your arms while lifting your hips up and back. Stay for 3-5 breaths. Forward fold. Slowly walk your feet toward your hands, and step shoulder width apart. With a slight bend through your knees, lower the top of your head toward the ground, belly reaching to thighs, and let your hands dangle down to your toes. Relax your upper body. Try moving your neck around here, exploring how it feels to bend or straighten your knees, acknowledging stiffness or tension in any part of your body. Stay for a few breaths. Halfway lift. On an inhale, place hands on your shins and lift your shoulders to be in line with your hips. Breathe here, as your body forms a right angle. Engage your core and open your chest forward. Look down to lengthen the back of your neck, and keep your neck safe. Exhale to forward fold, and repeat. Tadasana. Swoop your arms up to the sky, standing tall. Keep equal weight through both of your feet, with strong legs and an active core. Soften your shoulders away from your ears and extend your fingertips up as your palms face one another. Your body is one long line of energy, head over shoulders over hips over heels. Breath for 3-5 counts. Close your eyes and set an intention for your day. Side stretch. Exhale to stretch to one side of your body, keeping weight equal through both feet. Return to center, then stretch to the other side. Engage your abs to protect your low back. Only go far enough to keep your breath easy, and avoiding crunching through either side of your body. Repeat 2 more times, for a total of 3 stretches on each side of your body. Mini backbend. Come back to Tadasana for a mini backbend. Bend your elbows to either side of your body at shoulder height, like a goalpost, and lift your chest and chin up. Keep the front side of your body, quadriceps and core strong. Draw your shoulders down your back as you open your heart toward the ceiling. Stay for a breath, then rise back up to standing.